Refined, rare and exceptionally low mileage, the Aston Martin Virage Volante we're pleased to offer was built and delivered in 1993 to its current UK specifications. Delivered to multiple Aston Martin owning an avid classic car collector, His Royal Highness King Hussein of Jordan, deceased, whilst on a tour of the Newport Pagnell factory where it was constructed. The model first shown at the Birmingham International Motor Show in 1990 was a £145,000 replacement for the V8 Volante and remained in limited production until 1996, by when just over 200 examples had been built. Equipped with 330 horsepower, refrigerated climate control, ABS braking, airbag safety equipment and a power-operated hood, the Virage Volante's old-school charms, combined with its modern conveniences, create perfectly the characteristics required for a continental tour in the grand style, or simply a weekend break. Relaxed, comfortable, and with sufficient power to achieve 150 miles per hour, this distinguished midnight blue hand-built Aston Martin with just 14,500 miles covered has recently received a major service and preparation in our workshops. Ready for the coming open-top season, the car is supplied complete with original handbooks, service records and MOT certificates.